Am's Quilts and Am's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how to make multiple flying geese with no waste. I know I've shown you how to make flying geese before using the essential triangle ruler, but isn't it great that there's different ways to do the same thing? So you can find the method that works best for you. I used this method when I designed this twinkle pattern. All of these star points are just flying geese. And I know lots of times we don't need to buy another ruler to make another quilt, so I'm showing you this method. Remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. Okay, what we're going to need is a square. These will be your geese. This large square is your geese, and you want it 1 1/4 inches bigger than you want the width of your flying geese. So if you are going to have a flying geese that is 6 inches by 3 inches, then we want this to be a 7 1/4 inch square. And then we're going to need 4 of our sky fabric. And these squares are going to be 7/8 inches larger. Sorry about that. 7/8 inch larger than the height of our square. So if we're going with our 3 by 6 flying geese, then these are going to be 3 7/8 inch square. All right, the first thing we're going to want to do is to take our background, our sky here, and we're going to draw us a diagonal line on the wrong side of the fabric. All right, do you see that? And we're just going to do that with all 4 of your squares. Then we're going to take it, we're going to line this up on our flying geese square, our geese square here, so that the diagonal lines run through here, and we match up these edges. And you might want to just pin that in place. I like to pin it here in the center so my diagonal lines are going straight through. And here. And here. And then we're going to take this to the machine and we're going to sew a 1/4 inch on either side of that line. Okay? Then we're going to take our ruler once we've got that. We're going to line it up on the line that we drew in between those seams we just made. And we're just going to cut on that line. Okay? I apologize for the construction noise in the background. My road has been under construction all summer long. Somehow I've avoided it, but today it's just not happening, so I apologize. So once we cut it, we get 2 units like this. Okay, and then we're going to take this to the ironing board, and we're just going to press these. Once you get it pressed, you're going to just take one of your other squares, like we had 4, so this one will go on this, and the other will go on your other unit that you have. And we're just going to pin this so the edges line up. And once again, we're going to sew a 1/4 inch on either side. And once again, we're going to take our ruler and cut on that line that we drew in between those 2 seams we just made. And just like that, we'll have some flying geese. And you'll just press that open like that. All right, and you just end up with, I have a lot of flying geese over here. You'll end up with 4 flying geese. So that's just another method in order to make flying geese. It's a no waste method, and I do like it. I just prefer to use my essential triangle because I find I'm more accurate that way. But experiment with both methods, see what works best with you, and go with the method that works best for you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.